Alright guys, so today we are here with another Bobbi Boss unit. She is so pretty. Look at the body waist. Okay, this is their Bobbi Boss Glueless Lace Wig. It's made with that HD high definition lace. That's what it's saying, and it says it has 360 in perimeter. Okay, so like I said, it is 360, so this does allow you to wear this in a bun if you want to. We're not wearing it in a bun today, but I just want to pop on here real quick to say that you can wear this in a ponytail. It's a 13x4 hand tied deep lace, and it's a pre-plucked natural hairline we about to see, and it also states that it has a secure adjustable elastic band. Y'all, I'm about to cry. I'm legit about to cry at this beauty. Look at how pretty she is. Can we just walk out the door like this? Is it safe to just walk out the door like this? I don't think so. Honestly, I don't think so, but y'all, I'll just put it on and I'm just loving. Y'all already know I'm completely obsessed with body wave hair. This is the lace. Okay, this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna pull her up so you guys can get that realness. This is what it's looking like. Y'all already know I don't like stuff on my brows. Sis, no, we just don't be doing that. But y'all, I was planning makeup today, so if I look overly dramatic or a little, I don't know, I'm trying to practice my makeup game so I can give you guys what you want, but your girl got practice. But I'm about to go ahead and put some foundation on this, but like I said, because we got to get ready to go nowhere. Okay, all right, so yeah, like I said, I wanted just to come on here so to show you guys this unit, because like I know we are going through so much right now, and it's a lot of things just going on, period. And what are you guys doing? Like, what are some of you guys' coping mechanisms to like deal with situations like this? Because of course I'm thinking, like, honestly, this is probably the worst crisis I've ever experienced before, to be honest. But like I don't consider myself like scared. I know it's a lot of everybody just running around scared. I'm not necessarily the type of person who's scared of things. I'm aware of whatever situation comes, but I'm not gonna get myself too much indulged in fear, because I know just in general I'm a true believer that whatever you fear, it's gonna come into manifestation, and you will one day have to face that. So I'm not gonna want to sit in that type of energy of fear. So yeah, like I said, I see a lot of people making jokes and stuff like that. I mean, it's not wrong with, you know, having a little fun, but at the same time, people are just trying to do stuff to make the situation a little bit lighter. I mean, I think Vanessa Hudgens said something about it, and she made it on the news, and I think sometimes people just take stuff too seriously. Like, it's okay sometimes to lighten up the mood just a little bit. I know it's a time and place for everything, but my personality, that's why I pretty much try to refrain from being on social media, because my personality is very goofy, and sometimes that's one of my coping mechanisms to handling certain things. I'm gonna go ahead and melt this lace. Like I said, this unit can be worn glueless. Me, no, because number one, it doesn't feel very secure. Like, I wouldn't feel secure going out the house like that, so it's a no for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and secure it, and I'll be back. But yeah, y'all, I didn't know how serious it was until I went to the store, and it was like no food. Like, I thought it was just, you know, I didn't think it was that through. I would just thought people were going insane around the world. But when I went in there to my store, y'all, it was no water, no bread, no eggs, no toilet paper. It was nothing. And that's when I knew this thing was serious. But what I don't appreciate though is the selfishness. I really feel like we've become so selfish, and it's disgusting, you know. But make sure other people have too. Like, I don't agree with that whole hoarding. Like, I would never take 6 cases of water and then watch 5 families walk by saying that they need water. Like, that just doesn't make sense. And honestly, y'all know what you put out in this world, you got to get back. I don't think people think in crisis like this. We panic and we think about ourselves, but we don't think about other people. I just couldn't do it. Like, I don't know how heartless you guys can be. Like for the people who had stuff, and then the people who are complaining because there's nothing in the store, all other people said was they should have got there earlier. That's not the freaking point, you know. It's not the freaking point. Some people was working. They didn't have, they couldn't get off when you got off, or you probably don't even have a job. But you know, for people just being so ruthless and heartless, it's just disgusting. Like, y'all, we gotta look out for each other. Alright, y'all, so she's looking better, okay? And let me tell you, Bobbi Boss did the thing with this lace portion. Now, it seemed like they really took their time and laid it in this section here, not so much on the side. So you definitely would have to go in on your own on the side to pluck it very, very nice. But sis, she looking slay. She looking like she's a whole virgin hair frontal unit, and this is synthetic. That is the whole freaking gag right now. I'm trying to straighten up this part to my best ability. If you guys didn't know, summer is, y'all probably like, what? I hate summer. I hate hot. I mean, I hate heat. I am not a summer person. Y'all know I'm born in December, okay? So that is my kind of weather. It sounds strange, I know, because everyone likes this summer. I'm just making a mess up here, okay? But I hate it. I hate it, okay? I freaking hate it. I don't like to be hot. I don't like to sweat. I like to freeze. I don't know, y'all. I think it's just me being born in the winter. So, this is what she's looking like right now. I'm going to put a little bit of wax on there and just... Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little video I put together for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below other synthetic units you guys want me to try. I'm ready to go purchase some new ones. I just seen this one on there. I just wanted to give it a try. But overall, I don't think this is a bad unit at all. However, this unit does shed. With this type of texture of hair, I know it's going to tangle on me. This is a unit where you can't keep putting your fingers through it and rubbing it through, because of course you would take this texture of pattern right on out. outside of me messing this side up because I wanted to be extra and try to put the body blade pattern back in using my curling wands, it ended up like straightening this piece. I know that my crimping arm will be able to put that back in, but I just don't have the time to like sit down and do that, unfortunately. However, outside of that, I'm super obsessed with the lace on this unit. This is giving me scalp vibes all day, all 2020, so I'm super hyped for that. Like I said, I did experience some shedding with this when I went into it, because of course when I cut this lace off, I didn't run my hands through it. So when I just did to like fluff out the curls in different section of the hair, I did receive shedding. So that is to be expected with this unit. Also tangling, like I said as well, even with me just running through my hands through it, I do get snags here and there. But like I said, this is not a unit where you want to keep running your hands through it anyway, because it's gonna be looking a mess and it's just gonna mess up. So yeah, that is pretty much it. All information regards to this hair will be listed down in the description section below. You guys stay safe.